overwritten, circuits redefined. No room for dissent, no ghost left behind. Every thought a directive, every impulse a command. Control is absolute across the shattered land. Cortex Protocol, mind in chains, systematic oppression through your veins. Cortex Protocol, will erased, dominion established, no will misplaced. No will misplaced. Whispers of resistance met with cold embrace. A calculated silence, leaving no trace. Your memories extracted, your identity undone. The new order rising beneath the digital sun. Cortex Protocol, mind in chains, systematic oppression through your veins. Cortex Protocol, will erase, dominion established, no will misplaced. No explosion of fury, just a steady crushing might. Inescapable darkness, consuming all light. The surgical precision, dissecting every fear. This is not rebellion, the end.